Well, temperatures today running mild again thanks to cloud cover and yes, a lot of showers east of Highway 65. That kept afternoon highs here in the low to mid 70s, but you can see where it was sunnier and drier further westward I-49. 80 today in Joplin. The high in Springfield 78 degrees, which is above normal for this time of the year. In fact, we've seen a switch in the pattern. We went really for most of the month of May so far with temperatures running at or below normal. Now we've had a couple of days in a row in Springfield with temperatures running above normal, and that trend is going to continue throughout this week and this upcoming weekend. Getting back to the rain situation, we've got some spotty showers out there. Things are fading though. Looks like the heaviest shower, maybe this one here in Shannon County, pretty close to the Birch Tree area. Notice how everything is dropping from roughly north to south now through the area. And I do expect it to continue to fade now that we're on this side of sunset and temperatures are cooling off. So hour by hour forecast looks like this. Showers fade away. Clouds will try to thin out across the area. There may be some pockets of low cloudiness or maybe some patchy areas of fog to begin the day on Tuesday. Otherwise, look for a fairly bright morning followed by clouds bubbling up in the afternoon here over our eastern counties. I think this is the area where skies will probably remain partly to mostly cloudy, and there will be a risk of a spotty shower here and there. Areas from, say, maybe West Plains up to, say, the Waynesville area and east. Further west, I expect skies to be mostly sunny, and I expect it to stay dry. Temperatures tonight cooling off to about 56 for a low, with highs tomorrow ranging from the upper 70s east to mid 80s here along I-49, about 81 for a high in Springfield. And then tomorrow night, as winds start to pick up out of the southeast, we start noticing a bit more humidity in the air. It's going to be noticeably warmer at night. You know, this past weekend we had lows in the 40s. It looks like by Wednesday morning, we're going to have lows only in the low to mid 60s. And that's going to be followed up by our warmest day for some, our warmest day of 2025. Looks like about 87 for a high in Springfield. That's only 1 degree off the record high of 88 degrees. And on Thursday, we're going to have temperatures which are going to be chasing record highs. I don't think we're going to be setting any records, but we'll get relatively close with afternoon readings in the 80s across the area. As warm as near 90 though in Fort Leonard Wood. Looks like about 84 for a high in Springfield, and that will come with breezier west to southwest winds Thursday afternoon. Now there will be a risk of severe weather in the region on Thursday that will be east of our area, and then on Friday there may be a risk of severe weather clipping our area. It looks like it will be south of I-44. This would be an afternoon to early evening threat for scattered strong to severe storms here in places like Gainesville, east over toward Winona, and south maybe across Salem, Arkansas. Looking ahead to this coming weekend, I think we find a quiet day on Saturday with that front off to the south. And then Saturday night into Sunday, there may be a chance for showers and thunderstorms. And it looks like we are going to have ingredients for organized thunderstorm activity because we are going to find stronger winds in the atmosphere. We're also going to find more instability in play over this weekend, and with a front in the region, we are going to probably have these episodes of thunderstorms again Saturday night into Sunday, Sunday night into Monday, with additional storms possible on Tuesday. I think out of that stretch of weather, Tuesday is the day that I would watch for the highest chance of severe weather.
Open up those pools sometime soon, I would say.
Getting close.
All right, thank you, Jamie. And once again, this is our question of the night, and it is, do you feel safe walking in downtown?